Welcome to InstaOwl Science Class. Here we believe in democratizing education for all. Sometimes your body moves faster than your mind. Before you can even say ouch, your hands already pulled away from something hot. You didn't plan it, you didn't think it, it just happened. This kind of automatic reaction is called a reflex. A reflex action is a sudden involuntary response to a stimulus. You don't need to think about it. You don't need to decide. And that's what makes it so powerful and so fast. But what's happening inside the body when a reflex takes place? Let's look at a common example: touching a flame. If you try to think about what's happening, it's hot. Should I move? How do I move? It would already be too late. Thinking takes time and reflexes don't wait. So, instead of routing the signal all the way to the brain for a full thought process, your body takes a shortcut. This shortcut is known as a reflex arc. Let's break it down by looking closely at how this system works. It starts with the receptor, a group of cells in the skin that detect the stimulus like heat or pain. As soon as the receptor is activated, it sends an electrical signal through a sensory neuron. This signal travels to the spinal cord where it's passed on to a relay neuron, a kind of middleman. The relay neuron quickly processes the message and hands it off to a motor neuron. The motor neuron carries the response signal from the spinal cord straight to the effector, which is usually a muscle. In our example, the muscle in the arm contracts immediately, pulling the hand away from danger. And just like that, the action is done, all in a split second. The brain still gets the message, but only after the action has already happened. That's why you feel the pain after pulling your hand away, not before. So, why doesn't the signal go straight to the brain first? Because thinking is a slow process. It involves complex pathways and thousands of neurons. But in an emergency, the body needs speed, not thought. Reflex arcs are designed exactly for that. They are fast, automatic, and incredibly efficient. This connection without routing through the brain first is what keeps us safe in situations where every second matters. You'll find reflexes everywhere in animals. A cat's paws twitching from a sudden sound. Your knee jerking at the doctor's tap. Even blinking when something flies toward your eye. Sneezing to clear an irritant from your nose. All of these are reflex actions powered by the same shortcut, the reflex arc. And the beauty of it is this system evolved to work even before the brain gets involved, because sometimes there's no time to think. Students, let's connect everything we have learned so far through InstaLive. We first understood what is a reflex action, a quick automatic response that protects us instantly. Then we explored the reflex arc, the shortcut path, where signals go through the spinal cord to trigger fast action. Finally, we saw reflexes in daily life, like blinking, sneezing, or a knee jerk, all using this shortcut to keep us safe. Stay excited, stay inspired, and keep watching InstaOwl. Bye-bye.